the week. Okay? How do you know with an inequality if an ordered pair satisfies that inequality? To determine that, you have to plug the point in. So I'm going to plug my 3 in and my 5 in for x and y, and I have to determine, is this true? Is 6 plus 5 less than or equal to 9? No, because that gives me 11 is less than or equal to 9, which is not true. So is that a solution? No. What about the 0.13? Is 2 plus 3 less than or equal to 9? Well, that means 5. So that's true. So yes, that is a solution. And then the last one, 2 times 3 plus a negative 2, is that less than or equal to 9? Okay, so that's 6 minus 2, which is 4. That is true. So yes, that is a solution. That's how you determine that, okay? But now how do we graph this inequality? Well, the first couple of things, if you have less than or greater than, it's going to be a dotted line. If it's equal to, it's going to be a solid line. Okay, you're going to solve for y, and if it's less than or less than equal to, shade below. If it's greater than or greater than equal to, you're going to shade above. So I start at -5 because that's my y-intercept. And my slope is 2, so I go up 2 over 1. I'm ready to draw my line. Since there's no equal to, it's just a greater than, that means it's a dotted line. And greater than means I shade above the line. So which side is going to go up above the line? And that's going to be over here. So anything over on this side in this area makes that equation true. Okay? Now it's not shading it up on my screen, but it shaded it here. I wonder why. I just disconnected the air server. It did this to me once yesterday, and I just have to reconnect it. So give me just a second to reconnect it. Okay. And it should come right back up here. And there now you can see where I shaded in orange up above the line. Okay, let's look at the next one. Okay, first thing you want to do is solve this equation for y. So I'm going to subtract 5x from both sides. And then divide everything by 2. So now to graph it, 5 is my y-intercept. And since my slope is -5/2, I go down 5 over 2. It's equal to So that's a solid line. It's greater than, so I shade above over here on the right. And again, why are you not showing my shading? I think it disconnected me again. I gotta go get this again. I apologize, guys. I don't know why when I just did it, it's gonna do that again. I think my iPad is like losing connectivity down here in my office or something, because hang on, trying to connect, guys. Give me just a minute. And now you can see my shading over here on the right. Let's hope it keeps going for these last two problems. Solve for y, so I'm going to add 4x to both sides. And then divide by 3. So y is greater than 4/3 x. So over here to graph it. There is no y-intercept, so that's an understood 0. And I go up 4 over 3. It's not equal, so it's dotted. It's greater than, so I shade above. Okay, one more. Now, y is less than 2, remember, is a horizontal line. It's not equal, so it's going to be dotted at y equals 2. It's less than, there's not above and below sometimes on the vertical line, but on the horizontal, less than is below. On a vertical line, it's going to be right or left. Right if it's greater than, left if it's smaller than. And that is it, guys. Have a good day. And if you need anything at all, just call me, text me, whatever works for you. Talk to y'all later and stay safe.